We're all looking for low-cost ways to make a couple of extra dollars. Just some of the options out there have significant time or cost tons of money up front. The thing is, chances are out there, depending on your desired level of involvement and the resources you may already have at your disposal. Welcome back to I Publish Ghostwriters, where we're here to help you save money and start new streams of income from the comfort of your own home. Today, we put together 6 of the best mobile apps and websites that you can use to make money doing things you're already doing, or using the phone you have in your hand. Passive income doesn't need to cost thousands before you see a return. There are low-cost, low-investment options out there for those who look. Even if you don't have a ton of time, this is the perfect way to effortlessly keep up a low-investment, low-stress side hustle, even if it's just 5 minutes a day. One, Ad Wallet. One of the easiest ways to make money online includes watching ads. It's quick, it requires very little thought, and with applications like Ad Wallet, you can turn that watch time into real-life money through gift cards, prepaid cards, or donations. All you need to do is watch through the ads from different advertisers, which can happen mindlessly in the background while you work. The best part about Ad Wallet is their referral program, where you can use your referral link to bring in other users and make anywhere from 50 cents to $3 on each referral. This is a straightforward way to earn passively if you already have an audience to pitch it to, or a couple of friends who are also looking to make some extra money. To join Ad Wallet, all you need to do is click the Sign Up button on the front page to start your free account. If this sort of extra cash would benefit your lifestyle, even a little, what's the harm in giving it a shot? 2. Cash Karma. If you don't mind putting a little more time into the process, Cash Karma will earn you rewards for just completing surveys. They offer surveys and bonuses to reward you for consistent work. If you finish 5 offers, watch 25 videos, earn 8,000 points, your reward level will rise, and you can earn up to a 12.5% bonus each time you complete an offer. To start making money, all you need to do is sign in every day. It can be a daily task, making it easy to remember. You can quickly check and see if any surveys are complete and earn a little bit in exchange for some of your time. The best part is that this works no matter where you are, and you can earn rewards in Amazon gift cards or directly through PayPal. That way, your money goes now where it needs to be, and you're not fiddling with third parties to get what you earned. If you put your phone number into the website, they'll send you an exclusive download link so that you can start making money as soon as you're ready. 3. Missed Play. Do you play mobile games? What if I told you there's an easy way to turn those games into real money? And no, I don't mean gambling. Using Misplay on your mobile device is as simple as downloading the app onto your system and playing the games they offer. The longer you play, the more you'll earn. And in the end, those points will convert into real money. Like many of the others, it's gift cards, but on major platforms like Amazon, that money can really make a difference. Whether it's you or the little one, playing games can help you pass the time, and before you know it, you'll rack up tons of points. To this date, Missed Play has given away millions in exchange for this service. Some games even offer a multiplier as a push to play those. The fun gimmick is Missed Play treats it like a game in and of itself. It's easy to get wrapped up in their achievements, the drawings and raffles they run with their users, and the fun social aspect allowing you to connect with other users. Unfortunately, it's only available currently on the Google iPlay Store, but if you have a compatible device, you're in luck. Any way you slice it, if you're going to have fun, you might as well make a little cash doing it. Number 4. Money SMS. If you're an Android user and you're looking to make a few extra dollars and the others on this list aren't your speed, then maybe check out Money SMS. It's a free Android app that automatically allows you to make money online by receiving SMS generated by the system or their customers. All you need to do is receive those SMS with no payments or fees up front. You don't need to interact with the link at all either, only to receive it. Isn't that easy? This one also has a fantastic referral program, so bring your friends on board and you can make 30% of everything they earn just for sharing a link. There are tons of ways to cash out your points, and it works entirely without your input. This is a fantastic way to simply let your phone run on Do Not Disturb and make completely passive income. 5. Amazon Shopper Panel. If you're okay with earning Amazon gift cards, you can download the Amazon Shopper Panel app and make money every month by just going about your daily life. You know those extra receipts pile up over time, leaving you with plenty of trash. Before you go ahead and toss them out, take a quick picture in the Shopper Panel app. Once you upload 10 acceptable receipts to the app, you're given a $10 gift card to use on Amazon. It also provides plenty of opportunities for surveys and other small ways to make a little extra every month. You may not make a ton of money with it, but if you have the extra receipts lying around anyways, or if you can hold on to them long enough to snap a photo and go, this is an effortless way to make some extra cash. You need to use the Shopper Panel, a mobile device, the Shopper Panel app, and an Amazon account to fund. It's easy, user-friendly, and a nice little bit of pocket change each month for doing nothing extra, essentially. You'll get used to just scanning it in after your purchase. 6. Inbox Dollars. In reality, the best way you can make money online is by monetizing your online habits. That way, you're not adding anything to your plate. Inbox Dollars allows you to turn your current browsing into cash or gift cards with the simplicity of their payout system on the forefront. It has plenty of options for you too, so if you're worried the opportunities will be scarce, don't be. From taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, earning cash back on online shopping, reading emails, or being able to clip coupons and save more while you make, there's something for everyone. And the best part? Like a few others, you can earn gift cards, or you can have that payout directly deposited to your PayPal and turned into real, cold, hard cash. Just by signing up, you make a $5 bonus, and you can start earning immediately. Many of the other options can be high competition, and it might not earn as much as you'd imagine. So finding one with plenty of options out there can be a huge deal. Really, what's the harm in trying? We're all looking to make a few extra dollars, but unfortunately, there's not unlimited time in the day. Finding ways to make money without clogging up your day with clicking and website surfing can be invaluable. The fantastic thing about these is that they can be used on the go from your personal devices, giving you plenty of opportunities to make money even while you continue on your day. If you like this video, make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. We're always looking to provide you with ideas, techniques, and advice to help you make more money, be it through an online business or streams of passive income you can create on a dime. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications to never miss out on a single video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.